Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to get a donation button in Roblox. It's really simple. First step, we go to the Roblox main page and we have to log in with our account. We have to do this on the desktop browser. So we just log in. And then once we are in, we are actually in this page, but if you aren't in this page, you have to go to this page by typing exactly this. So you have to go to this site, to this part of the website. Is https://create.roblox.com/dashboard/creations. So you just have to go to this exactly URL. And you're going to be redirected to this page. So here we just have to go to interface here on the three dots, and then here on interface we have to go to associate items here where I'm clicking, and here we have to go to passes. Here on passes we have to put create a pass, and here we have to pick an image. I'm gonna leave it like that, like it is, but here you have to put a name and a description. So you can put anything, you just have to know that people is going to buy this, so you can make a good name and a good description. And yeah, it's really pretty simple. I'm just gonna put here on the description passes, but you can put something more attractive to people who buy. So we just create the pass, but as you can see, it's not for sale available yet. So if we want to put it on sale, we have to go again to these three dots, and here we have to select on sales. Here on sales, we just have to put this sale object tick on, and here we have to set the price. You have to know that you're only gonna get 70% of the revenue. So if we put 10, it's gonna be 7 for you. So we just click OK changes, and as you can see, it's all done. You already have your pass and people can buy it, people can donate from you on Roblox. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe.